Hello everyone, I'm Harshandaya. Today I will be introducing about the assignment 2 of software engineering analysis and design. Today we are going to demonstrate about the command line console game that we made in Visual Studio. I'm going to explain you about the report. This is a procedure that relies on first-person role-playing game that includes a map by a variety of different characteristics of composition players that can move across maps, which contains locations. Each location contains items which can be equipped by players and dropped at the same location. Some location might also contain NPC which may be invulnerable and may try to attack you. We have also included weapon shops where players can buy and sell items, for example shields and armors. This is known as the blacksmith. If a player encounters a hostile NPC, which means a non-player character, we can choose either to fight or run away, which means flee into any location. We have selected some weapons in this game, which is dagger, longsword, and a great sword, and a few more. Players also have a backpack where they can carry many items. If they exceed the weight, they can easily drop them. We have included some command like looks, go, move, get item, drop item, equip item, unequip item, purchase item, sell item, help, and exit to quit the game. Worked according to the boost methodology, which worked out to be really smooth and easy. Now I'm passing on to my colleague Vishal.
Thank you, Harsh. Now I'm going to run this code and we'll try and demonstrate what functionalities we have added. Now when we run the code, okay, so it says what name do you choose to be known by. So I'm just gonna write our names, Vishal and Harsh. Okay, now it says welcome Vishal and Harsh. You find yourself looking at an area which is peaceful. That's the description of the place we are currently at. Now let's type look to see where we are. So it says that we are in a library and there's 5 exits that are found. That is north, south, northwest, east, and west. And then there's a description of the area, that is an area which is peaceful. Now let's look east. It says that there's an open door. So this is a maze game, and basically our target is to get out of this maze. So we can see there is an open door. Let's go inside that door, go east. Okay, so we have successfully moved, and you find yourself looking, so you find yourself somewhere else. That is a blacksmith shop. Excuse me. So in a blacksmith shop, there's 3 exits found. That is west, northwest, and southwest. And the description of the place where we can trade weapons, armors, and shields. So let's go northwest. So I'm gonna try and go to a place where there is an hostile NPC, so we can have a combat scenario in this specific tutorial. So I'm just gonna go northwest. Okay, so we are in the restroom. So it says we are in the restroom. There's 3 exits found: east, south, south, and west. Now we will try and go west, because I think there's where we put the NPC. Yeah, there you go. So there, if we try and go yes, it says we have encountered a hostile NPC which has 20 life points. The player has 20 life points, that's us, and the NPC has only 5 life points. And it's asking us whether we want to attack it or no. So I'm just going to go ahead and attack it. Yes. There you go. So it says that the player life points are 19 and NPC life points just 3. So do you want to attack it again? Yes, let's do it again, because obviously we're going to win. We have more life points. Oh, so we have 18 life points and NPC has just 2. Let's go ahead and attack him again. NPC lost all life points. Game continues. That means we basically killed the non-player character, which was hostile, and we're still alive, and the game continues. That means we move on. let's go ahead and look where we are. So we are in the audio video room. So we are in the audio video room, and the description is a place where people can have presentations and demonstrations. So I'm just going to try ahead and go back, go east, and then go west again, so we can see if the NPC is still alive or not. So I'm just going to go east. So we're back in the restroom. Now go west. We're back in the audio video room. That basically means that the NPC is dead. We basically killed him. So yes, so that's that. That's all for the demonstration part. I'm just going to go ahead and quit. Thank you for playing the game. Goodbye. Now I'm also going to explain about the design patterns. Now about the design pattern which we have used in the code, there are two design patterns, which are command design pattern and singleton pattern. The command pattern falls under the behavioral pattern, which encapsulates command request as an object here by letting you parameterize the clients, which by different requests there are queue requests or log requests. And these also support undoable operations and in single in pattern, and the single in pattern ensures the class has only one instance and provide a global point of access to it all. So that is all about the MazeGame design patterns we used in the game. Now I would like to talk about a little bit about the map of our game. Let's move on to the map. That's the map. So for the map, I have, as you can see, this is the map of our game. The directions are written here. So we have an audio video room, a restroom, library, which is the center of the code. We can go any directions from the library. There's the blacksmith, where we can trade armors, weapons, and everything. And then there's children's section and cafe. We have also included arrows from where exactly can we go from. If, for example, if we can go to restroom, from restroom we can go to audio video room, but from restroom we can also go to blacksmith. So that will be all for the software engineering assignment 2. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a good one.